Ah! Oh my God! Oh, Mom! Ouch! Dad! Please don't! Please! Mom! Dad! Please, I beg you, Frankie. Please. Frankie. Hey! My son, please.
Right.
Don't hurt your brother. Don't hurt him, please. He's the only brother you have.
Away.
Please.
No, Dad, I wouldn't do it. Give me your phone.
What?
Give me your damn phone right now!
No.
I swear to God, if you do not give me your phone right now, I will blow your brains out.
Give him the phone for
Count of 3, 1.
Mom, I'm not going to give him the phone. I don't care what he wants.
Wait, no, please.
Don't touch your brother.
Please.
Dad, just get away from this. Stay away from this, Dad. And I'm not joking. If you joke with me, I will blow this your third leg that you're using to ravage my wife. Do you understand me? Give me your phone right now. 2.
Give him the phone for peace to reign now. Give me the damn phone. Open it. Open it! Open it. Come on. I'm joking with you. Open the phone. Hey. Good. Go to your account app. Go to your account app! Hey. My 10 million naira. What is the password?
Excuse me.
What is the damn password?
55520.
My 10 million naira. My heart ain't 10 million naira. That is what you're using to booger my wife, Abi? Thought I'll fire you. I'm taking back everything.
Don't touch my money.
See it? It's gone. Rubbish. Thought I'll fire you, cute. I said get out of my way. I swear to God, I'll blow your brains out.
No, please.
Where's my car key? Where's your car key? Oh, guys, where's the car key? Am I joking with you?
It's outside.
Where's the car key?
It's in the car.
I'll fire you there. I'll be back, all right? If I slap you,
I don't beg you.
If I slap you, very
God.
stupid.
Bad market.
No.
Oh yeah, on your knees. Go on your knees. Idiot. Yeah, apologize to her.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I said apologize.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Sorry, sir.
If I ever see you steal anything else on the street, you will go to jail. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get out from here. Get out! Get out, idiot.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much for saving me and my phone.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh God, this guy almost gave me a heart attack.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, it's not okay. Like, this phone, I just got it last week on my birthday.
Oh.
My friend gifted it to me, so I was just wondering how I'll lose this new phone. Thank you.
Thank God you didn't lose your phone.
Oh yes, thank you so much.
And maybe I should say happy birthday in arrears.
Oh, thanks.
Wow. So tell me, what will it take to know this beautiful lady more?
Okay. I don't know, I've already told you my name.
And
Okay, I am the
only girl in a family of 4.
Oh.
Yeah, the last one.
Baby of the house.
Yes.
And I want to guess you have 4 other guys guarding you.
3 actually.
Oh, 3, yeah.
I'm the last one, the only girl.
Wow. Nice.
Thank you.
I should be scared right now.
Oh yes, no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Thank
And I guess
you.
you're a graduate as well.
No, I'm an undergraduate of banking and finance.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to the next CBN governor.
Okay. You have a way with words.
Oh, I'm sorry for standing you in the sun.
It's fine.
Do you mind if I drop you off?
No.
And please do not say no.
Please, you
Remember what happened the other time? Just a few minutes ago, they might just steal not just your phone, your bag, maybe you. I don't want anybody stealing you off, please. Please, I insist.
Fine, thank you.
So it's a yes,
okay.
right?
Yes, but I really don't want you to.
No, okay. So, you see. You remember the song? You remember the song? Dancing.
Babes, you needed to see this guy that rescued my phone. He is so handsome. He's cute.
Are you for real?
You know I love them handsome.
Wow. Are you for real?
I'm dead serious. Like, this guy, I'm crushing on him. He's so cute.
See my babe, Miss Crusher.
I'm serious. No, I'm serious. Listen, I can't wait for this guy to ask me out. I'll gladly jump at it.
See you. So you not believe in love at first sight, right?
Babes, who would not love Frankie at first sight? I mean, he's every woman's spec. Listen, he is my crush as we speak.
Peggy. See who's talking.
No. Catherine, seriously, I'm not kidding here. I'm serious. Okay, have you ever heard me talk about any man before?
My dear, that is why I'm surprised, because you've thrown me off balance here.
Yes, because Frankie is way different. I just can't wait. If he doesn't say it, I will make the first move.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm not joking. I'll make the first move.
Babe, no. See, I know we have the right to the choices we make, but I think it is ungearly for a woman to make the first move.
And who says it's not cool to make the first move as a woman?
Babe, he does. He is the guy here. Let him go ahead and make the first move.
But what if he doesn't?
Have you ever tried to find out if he's a married man?
Well, I heard.
You met who?
You know, I've been wondering, I've just been thinking in my heart, is it possible that I'm going to spend the rest of my life in Nigeria and move from Nigeria to the United States without finding her?
Are you trying to say you've met your wife?
That's it. Yep. But in a very weird way, though.
Okay, that's interesting. So tell me, how did you meet this person and who's she?
She
and she must be very beautiful.
Very beautiful. I swear to God, she's the most beautiful of them all.
Oh yes, I trust your judgment because I know Mama has been sending lots of women to you and you have refused.
Bro, just don't go there because Winnie is nowhere. I mean, she's so perfect that you can't compare them to all those girls that Mama has been recommending. I swear.
That's her name?
Yeah, Winifred in full. I remember I told Mama that I am going to find her myself. And I did.
God did. God single-handedly orchestrated your meeting. And that's why you have found her. I need to hear the entire story. How did you meet her?
Well,
I'll find out.
And you said you guys are going out on a date?
Yep.
Maybe he's not married.
Like I said, I will find out.
One more thing.
What?
Do not let him know you are desperate. Don't show him you are desperate at all. Allow things to flow naturally.
Okay, I've heard you.
What I'm trying to say is that don't let him go through your legs on the first date. No matter how he tries, don't let him do that. You know these men. Sometimes they want to try and see if you are the loose type.
Yes, Catherine, I think you have a point there. You're right.
Yeah. So, I wish you all the best, my
Thank
baby
you
girl.
so much, my relationship therapist. Thank you. Don't worry. You will meet Frankie.
I can't wait to
and
meet
you
him.
will testify.
I can't wait to meet this guy that is making you crush so hard.
I'm thinking, maybe I should just engage her.
What?
Yeah.
I beg your pardon. What do you mean?
Yeah, I think I should engage her. I don't want to lose her.
What do you mean?
For crying out loud, I'm leaving the shores of this country in no time, so...
Hold on, bro. You want to engage someone you barely know, someone you don't even know. Come on, that's a total stranger, bro.
Well, I don't understand what you mean by a total stranger. How long does it take for you to know someone? What do you want me to do? Very soon I'm leaving the shores of this country, so I have to do something. I don't want to lose her.
If she's yours, you can't lose her. You know that.
Do you remember that thing they say, stories that touch? Avoid stories that touch. My brother, I need to avoid stories that touch. I will just have to engage her so that when she wears my ring on the streets, on the roads, all those hunters, all those men will know that she's taken. Simple. Don't worry.
Hello. Oh, really? You're here? All right, I'll be down on the GP, okay? See you.
Oh my God. You look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you, and you don't look bad yourself.
Wow, I'm blown away. Oh, sorry. We can go now, right?
Yeah, sure, please.
Please. Wow.
Why are you staring?
Nothing.
Don't tell me nothing. It's out of proportion. So why are you staring?
You see, I've been asking myself, where have you been?
Been around?
Winnie, I wish I met you a long time ago. I wish I met you all my life.
And I wish same too.
You see, from the first time I ever saw you, my spirit told me that you are my wife.
What? How? I don't understand. I'm confused. What do you mean?
I'm leaving the shores of this country very soon. Traveling to the United States. And since then, I have been searching. I've been searching for a woman like you.
I don't understand. Where are you driving at?
Winnie, can you just give me the privilege to meet your parents and you meet mine?
Why?
Babe, your date with your new guy, how did it go?
He's traveling out of the country in no time.
What?
Honestly, Catherine, I just wish this is all a dream. I wish it's not true. Because I vowed never to have a long distance relationship.
I won't even endorse a long distance relationship.
Tomorrow, I'll be going to meet his family. And afterwards, he'll meet mine.
Winnie, are you really sure you want to do this? See, you need to think about this. I don't trust all these Yankee boys at all. What they do is that they get married here in Nigeria, leave their wives, travel abroad to go and marry women that are old enough to be their mothers, just to get paper.
Oh my God, I've fallen deeply in love with Frankie. I love him so much.
Babe, just forget love here. Forget love. This guy is traveling to America where they have the good, the bad, the ugly.
Yeah, but he gave me his words. He said he'll always keep in touch when he gets there.
It works for people. I just pray it works for you too.
It will. It will. I'm sure.
I can see you really love this guy and you are ready to wait for him.
Catherine, I told you Frankie is my crush.
So when is he leaving?
Less than 1 month.
It's already here.
Yeah. I miss him so much.
Happy?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm happy I found you. You know, you mean the world to me. I don't know what my life would have been without you, darling.
But I'm worried.
Worried? Why?
This development, you traveling outside the country. I've heard stories about people...
Hey, shh. Listen. Babe. I promise you, I will never leave you. My heart beats for you. Actually, I am willing to swear, and I swear to you right now, that if I ever leave you, let me die.
No, babe, no one is dying. Don't say that.
I promise you that. And I will keep to it.
You're not dying, okay?
I love you so much.
And I love you too. And I promise to wait.
That is the best thing I ever heard in a very long time. Thank you.
To call my own.
Thank you.
Through the
All I just want to do is go to the United States, make some good memories, and come back and take you to the United States so that we can have a better family.
It's fine. I understand. It's for the best, right?
Yeah, you said you wanted ice cream.
Yeah.
So we can go get it.
Really? Okay. Oh no, I had fun. Thank you too for taking me out.
Sometimes I wish we could just have this every day.
Right.
Yeah.
You had fun, right?
It was so lovely. It's very lovely. Trust me.
Yeah, I did. Thank you.
Thank you. You should be the one saying that.
No, I should be the one saying thank you.
I had fun. Do you know what it means to pull out a princess like you?
Oh my God,
What?
I forgot.
What?
My ice cream. It must have melted by now. Eesh, why are you laughing?
No.
Seriously, I said
Oh,
it.
I can see.
Oh my God. What was I thinking?
Oh.
It's melted.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's melted. It's looking really nice. Isn't it? Wow. Wow.
That's a payback.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Yes.
Did you do that to me?
Mm-hmm. Here.
I don't believe you.
Trust me.
I don't believe you.
Trust me, please.
No, I don't believe you.
Trust me. All right. Okay.
I knew it.
Okay. Come on, you don't need to fight.
Hi, why? So what am I going to use?
Wait now.
No, wait,
Let me just take one more spoon. It really tastes nice.
Not yours.
No.
Your smile's a melody and divine. The song that tells the world that you are mine. Your laughter lights the darkest skies. With you, my love, my spirit flies. Oh yes, I found you, my dream come true. The stars above shine bright for you. In your arms I found a place. Forever I am for you. Thank God I found you. You are mine. I would never let you go. Thank God I found you now. Thank God I found you. Oh, you are mine. I will never let you go. I will never let you go.
Good morning, sunshine. How was your night?
I'm good, you just woke me up.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. But I hope you slept well.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It was cool. How was yours?
So, what are we having for breakfast?
I think tomato egg sauce and bread with coffee.
Ooh, that sounds like English breakfast.
What about you?
Anything they give me in this house, I eat though. They say beggars are not choosers, right?
Alright.
Okay, no problem. Let me quickly freshen up. I'll call you back to see you.
Okay, yeah, but that will be towards the evening because I'll be having lectures this morning and afternoon.
Okay then. No problem. See you later. Love you.
And I love you even more. Bye, baby.
That man's course is so difficult. I really don't understand his course. I don't even know what to do about it.
I was thinking we can go 3 together.
Later, fine, but right now I'm tired. Like I'm exhausted. I need to rest my head. Like I can't.
Okay.
What's up? You told me that we have test. Hi.
Okay, I'll see you
Philmond.
later.
Alright, bye.
Dikeh. What's up?
Babe, you left him. That guy is so
Yes.
cute.
I just had to leave because you called me that we have test.
Yeah, he's really cute. He's everything cute.
That was why I gave him myself.
What? Why I told you now, babe? I told you not to be desperate to do it with him.
But he loves me and I love him back.
Oh, no, it's too early.
Yeah, we're in love with each other. Moreover, I don't regret whatever I did with him.
No, babe.
Please, come, let's go in for
Shouldn't
hotel.
have done it.
Hey, baby.
You're welcome. Babe, meet my friend Catherine. Catherine, meet my baby Frankie.
Catherine.
Hi, Frankie.
Nice to meet you, Catherine.
Same here.
Nice to meet you.
Winnie, yeah, I'll see you later.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Sure.
Hey,
Yeah.
good.
So you said you wanted to say something to me.
Yeah, are you sure you're ready to listen?
Of course, yes.
Okay. Maybe we should go somewhere.
Okay.
Alright?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome to my house.
Nice place.
Yeah. Please make yourself comfortable.
Oh, thanks. Is this your family house?
Yeah.
Oh. So if you have this kind of place, why would you want to travel abroad?
Go on. Well, I will say I want to travel abroad for so many reasons. But before we start, you are my guest. What do I offer you? I have wine, I have juice, I have what else?
I'll prefer you answer the question first. I'm listening.
Okay. Okay, first of all, let me start by saying I am the first child to Chief and Mrs. Festus Wankwa.
Okay.
I studied medicine in school. And also, I am privileged to be the one that won the lifetime scholarship from my community. Yes. So, and I won it when I was in primary 5. So I have been on scholarship from primary 5 to when I graduated from school.
Wow.
And now I want to travel to the United States of America to continue medicine, study more, practice, make money. I don't know. I don't know what the future holds over there.
Honestly, I must say this is fascinating. I mean, I never knew I've been speaking to a brainiac.
Oh, come on. Stop.
No, you're a brainiac.
But you are intelligent too.
But I don't have a scholarship.
Yeah. I read and I passed and that
I read
was it.
too and no scholarship.
Okay, now fine. What do I offer you? Just as I said earlier, I have wine, juice,
anything
water.
soft. No, anything soft and cold.
Non-alcoholic, alcoholic.
Where are your parents?
Babe.
Yeah?
I'm blown away that you were still a virgin.
Yeah, I vowed to keep my virginity for my husband. But I do not regret losing it to you. Because I love you.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me something as sacred as this. And I promise you one thing, darling. I will never fail you. I will love you forever. You know, right now I feel pain that I'm leaving next week.
I wish I have the willpower to stop you. But I can't. But it's all for the best, right?
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too. Babe, are you okay? Babe, what's going on? What are you celebrating?
Babe.
Yeah?
I searched through the entire world for you. And right now that I found you, I will never let you go.
What are you doing?
Babe.
Wait.
Babe, please, will you marry me?
Frankie, what are you doing?
Don't say no, just say yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Just say yes, babe.
Yes, I will marry you. Oh my god, am I dreaming?
Thank you.
Oh my god, am I dreaming?
You love it?
This is beautiful.
Yeah. It took me a long time to shop for that.
Thank you.
Babe?
Yeah?
I would love you to get pregnant before I leave. Yeah.
Wait, what? Why? How?
I just want you to.
No. Baby, you haven't paid my dowry. You shouldn't be wanting a child now, but...
I know why. I just want you to. I'll be happy if you will.
No, darling, no. You can't possibly want this. Have you forgotten? We're Anglicans. That should be our last priority. What would the church say? What would my parents say? What would everyone say?
Okay.
What if there's only...
Honey. I'll stand by your laws. Right?
Okay. Alright, it's not like that. Okay? Darling, you haven't paid my bride price.
Baby, I will pay. I will pay.
When?
Immediately I get to the US. I will school and work and make a lot of money and come back and pay your dowry. Even before then, I will make a lot of money and send to you so that, I want you to be big. I want you to live the life of the wife of a medical doctor in the United States of America.
Okay, I like that one.
Yeah.
The wife to
a medical doctor in the United States of America.
The wife to the medical doctor in the United States of America. I like that.
And you're going to be big, large, and...
I guess I'm going to be fat by then.
No!
What? Why are you shouting?
No, I don't like fat.
Huh?
No, I don't like fat. No, I want you to be like this, remain like this.
You know like this.
Just like all those celebrities I saw on TV. You can be.
Frankie, I can't remain like this forever. You of all people should know this. You're a medical doctor. Most women, when they start bearing children, they'll lose their body shape and sizes. And maybe I happen to be one of these women. So?
No.
Huh?
I don't want fat.
Okay, pray about it.
Honey, I want you to be like this.
I can't remain like this.
You can.
On God.
I wander through the shadows, lost and alone, searching for a love to call my own. Through the trials and tears, the endless fight, I have found you now. My heart's still light. Thank God I found you. 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 You are mine. I will never let you go. Thank God I found you. 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 You are mine. I will never.
I don't want you to marry a white man.
Oh, come on, Mom. Stop. You serious right now?
Mom, you're so unbelievable. I mean, Frank literally introduced his fiancée to you, right? Do you expect him to introduce someone else? Let alone a white woman as a wife to be? I don't understand.
I know what I'm saying, no. I don't want any disappointments. Winnie is a very beautiful girl from a good background. Her mother and I belong to one meeting in church, so I don't want issue.
Mommy, nobody's going to disappoint anybody here.
Right.
Sure.
Trust me. Winnie and I, we love ourselves that much. When I mean that much that we cannot even afford to hurt ourselves.
One would have thought that you would pay her dowry before you travel.
It's what I'm suggesting, and Frank is insisting that he will go and come. I don't get.
But Mom, I'm still in school. I'm still in school. I'm still a student. Why don't we just calm down, get this whole thing fixed, let me finish school, get a job, and we can have this wedding in a grand style, have a big wedding. That's what I'm trying to say.
Frank, I totally understand Mom's point of view. You see, when a man pays a woman's bride price, it doesn't matter if you go to the end of the world, you're considered a married man.
But I've engaged her. What else do I have to do? I've taken the first step.
Well, exactly what I'm trying to explain to him. My son, listen. Sliding a ring into a woman's finger is no guarantee of marriage. No, it's not. Because anything can still happen anywhere, especially for people like you who will be going on a far journey, on a distant journey.
Well, I want to believe Frank is old enough and you know the right thing to do. Just do it.
Of course. Of course. All I'm just trying to say here is, can I just wrap up this scholarship thing? You know, okay. Immediately I finish my first master's degree, I can quickly run back to Nigeria and we fix up this marriage thing. I've already spoken to Winnie and she's good with it and she could wait.
Oh, she agrees. If she agrees, well, it's okay. That's fine.
Babe, why are you talking like I'm dying?
I can't stay.
You can. Don't worry, we'll talk time to time, right? We'll do video calls. Yeah?
But I don't want a long distance relationship.
Honey, don't worry. Nothing is going to happen. You're my world, remember?
I'm just scared about another woman taking you.
Nobody is taking me. I promise you that. Brian.
Yeah?
You're going to do me a favor.
Okay.
Huh? Please, take good care of her.
Okay.
And don't stop at anything. Anything she wants, please make it available for her.
No problems. You can count on me. Alright? And Winnie, it's okay. Stop crying. He's just traveling for his masters. He'll be back before you know it, okay?
Yeah, you heard him, right? Oh, I love you.
Okay?
I love you too.
I'll be back before you see Jack. Oh? Oh?
Okay.
Alright, love. And the two of us will now go to the US. And go have our babies. It's fine. It's alright. I miss you too.
I miss you.
Winnie.
Mommy, stop. Just go away. Leave me alone, Mom. Leave me.
You mean I should go away?
Yes.
Come here. I want to stop this, okay? Stop it. You don't need all these tears. He only traveled to study. What you need to be doing for him right now is to pray for him. So he can go and come back successful. Not with your tears.
Mommy, but how do you expect me to live for years without Frankie in my life? How?
But Frankie is not dead. Or is he? He's just going there to study and he's coming back. So what you need to do is save your tears. Use the energy to pray for him.
But
So
my
he can
heart
go and
is
come back.
shattered. It's breaking, Mommy.
Come on.
It's breaking.
Calm down. It's normal. It's normal. Do you know how he's also feeling there? Do you think it's easy for him? It's not also easy. But he has to go for your greener pasture.
for both of you. Calm down. So pray for his safe landing. That's what you should be doing. And not by tears. Okay?
Hold on. Hey, hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Welcome.
Mommy!
Welcome there.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, Daddy!
This is my dear wife in whom I am well pleased.
I know.
Welcome. So good you're down serving your country.
Yes, Daddy, thank you. It feels so good, actually.
Congratulations there.
Thank you, Mommy. I'm coming home from Nasarawa State,
Okay.
so I decided to see you all.
Did you hear that?
That's great.
You have done well.
Thank you, Daddy.
You have done very well. I am sure Franklin will be very proud of you.
Oh, of course he is, Dad. He is.
I know.
Thank you, Dad.
So my daughter-in-law is now a graduate.
Yes, Mom.
Banker at that.
More money.
Thank you, Daddy.
I'll go get you something to eat.
Okay, Mom, thank you, but I'll help you out.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Mom. Mom, you look so beautiful.
And I'm hungry too. I'm sure you like some food too.
No, I'm not. I just want to finish this.
We both go back together. Isn't that what we planned?
Honey, the truth is something came up. Okay. Alright, I got a job.
Yeah, but listen, what's going on? Frankie is 5 years. Shooters are coming.
I know, babe, I came out tops in my class.
Till when? When are you coming back to do the necessary things? Or do you want me to just walk away?
Yeah, but you know how these white people behave now. They don't behave like us, so they have their own way of doing things. So,
Listen, do not blame me for whatever happens. Right now, I don't know. I just don't know what to do.
honey, everything I'm doing is for our good. Trust me.
You do not understand. I am a woman. I need you here. I need you around.
Honey, you are not going anywhere. You are my world. No. I'm marrying you, I swear to God.
Why are you tearing us apart?
Nothing is going to happen. Just be with me, please.
Frankie, tell me the truth. Are you married over there and maybe you don't want to tell me about it?
Honey, I am not. Just believe me. Everything I am doing is for our good. Just imagine that your husband is earning money in 6 digits. Don't you think it's nice?
No, because right now I do not understand anything anymore. I don't understand you. You know how you guys over there behave? So maybe you're married and you do not want to tell me. Tell me the truth.
No, babe, no. Don't talk like this now. Now you're making me feel like I'm a terrible person. It's not good. Please.
Right now I just don't understand. Whatever it is, just be straight with me. I don't understand because nothing is adding up anymore.
No, just stop. Babe, stop. Stop. This is not a joke, please. Bro, I don't know. I want to buy a house. No. You know, my wife, she just passed out of the NYSC, so I need her to go into a ready house. Don't worry. All I just need you to do is, get the house from a proper real estate, an estate, just the same way it's done in the US, here. Any very cozy, luxury, wonderful, environment that is not noisy. She does not like noise. One more. I am also shipping in 2 vehicles. Right. Immediately they arrive, I need you to clear them and put them in the house. But one is going to be for my wife and the other will be for you. Bro, the truth is, after graduation, I just got a job with the hospital as a surgeon. And you do not want to know what the pay is. It's too attractive. So let me just make some more money for us. You know how this thing works now. Don't worry. Come on, you can fix this thing. Just calm her down, take care of her, make her feel happy. I'll be back pretty soon. And I don't want you to tell her about the house and the cars until after we've paid her dowry. Let it just be a surprise now. Let it just be a surprise. You know how these things work.
Babe.
Yeah?
When are you going to give me the money you promised?
So, I'm expecting some money from my brother. Once the money drops, I'll give you what you asked for.
Is this how we are going to be surviving? Off Dr. Frankie? Come on now. Get a job. At least.
Don't start. Don't start.
Babe, I want you to be the man I could be so proud of. I'm tired of all this idea of, you living off Dr. Frankie. Come on, please.
I've told you time and time again. I don't like white-collar jobs. How much are they going to pay me anyway?
Why are you so lazy? Why?
I'm not lazy. I'm not. Listen, my brother wants me to buy a house for his wife. Do you know how much I'm going to make off that?
When is he coming to marry Winnie?
Well, the traditional wedding is slated for 31st.
Okay, so that means he's coming back this month?
No, he's not coming. I'm going to do it on his behalf. I'm standing in for him.
How?
Oh, you've never heard of such?
No.
We do it. It's part of my tradition, yeah?
So, does Winnie concur to this plan?
When are you coming back? Because I don't understand. You want to come back when I'm now old and I'm able to bear children? Is that what you want? And then you blame me for not being able to give you children and you discard me.
Babe, what do you want me to do to prove to you that I'm not lying?
I want you to come back so we can get married.
Honey, I can't.
Why? You're going to watch me leave, honestly. I will leave.
No. Okay, I have a suggestion.
Speak.
Okay, what if I send my people to your place to come pay your dowry?
Wait, what? What do you mean? Who?
Brian can stand in, I've seen it happen somewhere before. He's my brother, so he can stand in for me, to pay the dowry and all that.
Oh, no. You can't tell me. Are you listening to yourself? How can you have Brian, your brother, standing for you when he's not my husband? When my husband is fully alive and healthy?
No, you're getting married to me. But he will just be my representative. That's just how it is. It's more like technology. You know how these things work, right?
You're going to this if you don't come back.
No, sugar, please don't do that. Honey, I just give a suggestion now, please.
I'm not okay with the suggestion.
Babe. Hello, babe. Are you still there?
Yes.
Honey, I just want you to understand that whatever I am doing is for our own good. It's for our future. Please.
Should I call you my in-laws or my supposed in-law? I don't know. Anyone is accepted.
So I'm free to come.
Okay, just where are your in-laws?
Oh, wow, thank you. You're all welcome. Thank you so much. Brian, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, Frankie.
He's doing all right. He's doing okay.
Thank you. So I go in there to bring out
Our wife.
Yes, sir.
Let's complete it for you.
We can't wait.
so fast.
We can't wait.
We should have used some spices. Okay.
We can't wait.
Let her come and confirm that we are progressing in the right way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so
You're right.
Short demand.
My in-law, yeah, very good.
Meanwhile, let me eat some of the.
So far.
So fast.
Oh, Leo.
I greet you all.
Thank God. We're working. Yeah.
Good job.
You are welcome.
Thank you. My brother.
Winifred.
Sir.
You've seen the people that came to our house. Do you know them?
Yes, Uncle, I do.
So, should we go ahead as a family to accept their drinks?
Yes, please.
Okay. You are not under compulsion. No. The go-ahead expression we have now is coming from you.
Yes, sir. Totally. Totally.
Progress.
It looks fresh.
The best of it can only be gotten in our village.
Oh, yes, sir. I can't wait to have it.
Nay, Frank made a very good choice. Look why no man.
Beautiful smile.
Oh,
Winifred,
Uncle.
take this. Go and show us your husband.
Thank you.
Ada. Oh. Everybody waits. Utakere no wo. Ife di ma maka. Better suit na money killer. Ada ma your pikin ya. Ada.
Yeah. As tradition demands. Thank you. Papa, you're supposed to be spraying me money now. Papa.
Oga Butionye! Oga Butionye!
Guess.
Brian, I can't guess.
What do you think?
I don't know. Nothing. Whose house is this?
You like the house?
Yeah, it's cute.
Is it beautiful?
Very.
How about the car? You like it?
Why not? Yes.
They are yours.
How?
How?
I don't understand. Are you joking?
I'm not joking.
How come? I don't understand.
Let's go inside.
No, wait.
What?
Who gave them to me? How?
Your husband.
Oh my God!
You bought the house?
No.
And the coffee.
It's not true! It's not true! Jeez, Frankie! This place is beautiful, Brian! How?
Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Come.
Oh my God.
He said he loves you so much and he wants you to have the house and the car.
No way.
And he's coming back really soon. So let's go.
Oh my God. You must be kidding me.
Let me show you inside.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
God, this place is beautiful.
Just like you.
This is my picture.
You like it?
It's beautiful. Yes.
I told you.
It's beautiful. Oh my God, this is true. I love everything. What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
Please don't even do that. I need to call my baby Frankie to say thank you to him. Stop recording me already.
Just go.
I need to call my baby ASAP. Okay, I need to see everywhere.
Wait.
Show me everywhere.
Okay, that's the bedroom upstairs.
Show me up here, right? Am I going? Oh my God! This chandelier is so huge.
I know.
Place forever I am for you. Thank God I found you. You are mine. I would never let you go. Thank God I found you now. Thank God I found you. Oh, you are mine. I will never let you go. I will never let you go. Never let you go.
Babe, this is what they wait to. This house is very big. See you, a big man, wife.
You can't say that again, girl. Ha! When my brother-in-law drove me into this compound, I'm like, where is this place? He said, your husband bought it for you. Ha! Babes, I almost passed out.
I can understand the shock because this is really big.
Yeah, but it can't be compared to having Frankie around. I really want him back.
I understand your husband is trying to give you a good life. See how good you are looking. Your husband and his people are really taking care of you. Not like my mother-in-law.
But look at you, you already have 2 kids.
I know, but you guys talk over the phone every day and you do video calls too.
But that's not enough. I need Frankie around. I'm running out of age. I need to start bearing children. This is my time. Don't you understand?
My friend, please don't lose hope. Just pray for him. It's not as easy as we think for them over there.
But it's not easy for me too. I need him back. I need him to perform his conjugal duties he owes me. I need to be touched and pampered. Don't you understand, Catherine?
I understand perfectly. And that was why I was vehemently against this long distance relationship thing. You know, it's always easy for them, men, because they always have girls around to help themselves with. But we married women, we can't do that because it's an abomination. You just have to try, please. See my friend, looking so good. Big my wife, it's you.
Hello. Oh, Marian. I didn't notice what you came in.
Wow. What are you cooking?
Food? I thought you said you were going to the site.
Oh yeah, I didn't see the engineer. It's crazy.
Why? But he was the one that gave my husband the date.
I know, but you know how annoying these people can be.
Wow.
So, what are you cooking? I'm hungry.
And rice, it will soon be ready, okay?
Oh, okay, great.
What?
I was going to say, has your friend left?
Catherine?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
She's very beautiful.
Who?
Your friend. That's the only friend you have. Do you have another one?
Sure, why do you ask?
Is she married?
She has 2 kids.
2 kids?
Yep.
Wow, she doesn't look it at all.
Really?
Yeah. So she has a husband?
What sort of question is this, Brian? Yes.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Yeah, sure. You'll just soon be ready.
Alright.
You want more?
I'm just looking.
Okay.
I mean, this is why I commend your cooking. You're actually very, very good. I mean, that's why I always feel that Frank is lucky. I mean, he's very lucky to have you.
Speaking about your brother Frankie, what would you say that made him abandon me in this big house?
Winnie, don't start. Alright? I have no idea what's going on. Please.
Brian, I'm human. I have blood flowing through my veins. I want to be cuddled. I want to make love like every other woman. Is that too much to ask?
Winnie, you won't understand.
I just feel pained about this whole thing.
I understand how you feel, but the truth is, Frank feels the same way too. If you feel like, or if you in any way try to say that Frank does not feel the same way, then you're not being honest to yourself. He does.
No. Nobody knows what I'm going through. It's been messy lately. I've been having midnight crisis. The negligence from Frank is alarming, and I ask myself why. Why will he abandon me this way? This is pure fact. He has abandoned me.
I don't know what to say.
There's nothing to say, Brian, other than admitting the fact that your brother Frankie has abandoned me to myself. What did I ever do to him? What?
Winnie, did he in any way mention anything that has to do with sabbatical leave to you?
Sabbatical leave?
Yeah, did he say anything?
No. Wait. Don't tell me Frankie plans on leaving me till his sabbatical leave. Because I will not take it. I will never allow that to happen. I've had it up to here. I will never. Why would he say that?
Winnie, are you walking out to me?
I just lost my appetite.
Can you come back, please? Winnie.
I should have listened to Catherine. What did I get myself into? What?
Winnie.
Do not Winnie me. Don't call me. I'm tired of this. I'm tired. Why will he do this to me? I'm just tired.
You need to stop stressing yourself for nothing.
Now everything is adding up.
What's adding up?
Everything. This joke called marriage, this mirage. I'm tired. I'm tired of chasing shadows. I'm tired of this sham called marriage. I just want to leave. I'm tired. I'm just so tired. I don't know what I got myself into. Frankie has a lot of explanation to do. Right now, it's just like I shot myself on the leg. A marriage that one has to stand in for my husband. Does it even make sense to you? Does it?
Winnie, it's tradition. People do it. You're not the first, and you're not going to be the last. Okay? You need to just chill. You need to calm down. Please.
Why hasn't he sent for me? Why doesn't he want to come pick me up? Why? Just why?
I sit by the window, the silence loud. I search for your shadow.
They won't let me go.
Frank, what do you mean they won't let you go? Listen, tell them you have something important to take care of back home.
You don't understand. It doesn't work like that.
Listen, this is getting serious. I don't know how else to console your wife. She cries herself to sleep. She doesn't socialize. She doesn't eat. She just wants her husband.
See, Brian, I don't know, but just tell her anything. Just say something to her. I don't know. Anything. Just say anything to her, man. You know how these things work now. Just say anything to her. Console her. Take her out.
Listen, is there something you're not telling me? Are you married to some woman?
Come on. I'm not married. What kind of rhetorical question is that?
Oh, because I don't know anymore. I'm not there with you. I don't know what you're doing. But the point is, what this girl is going through right now, she doesn't deserve it.
Brian, you're my brother. If I was actually married, I will tell you. And you know it.
I don't know what else to do. I'm going to try, but honestly, you're to blame, 100%.
Brian, please. You don't know how I feel over here. Right? Can you just stop blaming me? You're making things worse.
Just do everything in your power to change this situation, please.
I'm tired, Mom. I am extremely tired of this sham called marriage. The one thing my husband cares about is just his job. You can imagine him telling his brother that he will come back during his sabbatical leave.
What did you just say?
Yes, Mom. I just know what he wants. He wants to come back when I'm already old and unable to bear children.
God forbid.
Mommy, then he will leave me. He will leave me and then he will accuse me of being unable to bear children because I'll be old by then. That's what he wants.
Stop saying it. Does it not know that you're a woman?
It's all my fault, Mom. I should have listened. I should have listened to my friend Catherine. I should have listened. Oh.
That's okay. There's something that I was thinking about lately. Are you sure he's not married to a white woman over there?
Exactly, Mom. I've been thinking about that as well. It's been going through my mind and my spirit, and I confronted him.
And what did he say?
He blatantly denied it.
Of course, what do you want him to say? For him to admit? Of course, no. So, did he actually marry my daughter to torture her or something? Or why all this?
Mommy, this is not the life I planned. This is not the life I wished myself. I wanted to just get married to a responsible man whom I'll raise my family with. Now that dream is shattered. Everything is shattered. Love has failed me.
No.
I feel so...
Love doesn't fail. It's just the circumstances surrounding it. Okay? Love did not fail you. It is circumstances. And I think I need to meet with the parents. They have a lot to explain to me. If their son is not ready to take you back, then it's time to refund their dowry.
No, that's not an option. I still love Frankie. I'm not ready.
Who is talking about love here? Who? It's obvious he doesn't love you anymore.
I just don't want to believe this. I just don't want to believe Frankie doesn't love me anymore, Mom. I don't think so. I must disagree with you. Oh my God. I'm tired.
Sorry, that's okay. Then there must be an option there.
Really? Well, that's very funny.
Yeah.
But is that how you laugh naturally?
Yeah.
Really? That's how you laugh? Wow.
Oh my God.
Okay. Take some of this. Wow, is that how you drink normally?
Oh, am I supposed to drink?
Take some more. Take some more. This is not a montage. Take some more. Are you okay? You're not drinking this thing. Drink some more. Come on. Drink some more. Hey, drink some more. Listen, when you drink wine,
What?
it makes you more beautiful. Drink some more.
What is wrong with
Just
you?
drink some more. It's okay. You know what I think? A lot of people would think you're my wife.
Am I not your wife?
No, you're my brother's wife.
Is your brother's wife not your wife?
Well.
Well.
Well, that's true. I mean, but then.
No, it's true, and that's it.
Okay, let's drink together.
Yep.
Rose, I came to find out why your son, I mean my supposed son-in-law, is yet to return from his sojourn in abroad.
If we tell you we are not surprised at what is happening, we are shocked. What is happening is not what we discussed with Frankie.
I know why I'm saying this. My daughter is going through a whole lot of emotional blackmail.
I understand.
Her husband has failed her. She's also traumatized. I mean, fix yourself in my shoes.
Yeah. We speak to him every day. And consistently he says it is the same. What we discussed is the same. There is no change. Meanwhile, he has graduated as the best surgeon and an American hospital has employed him. I don't know what is keeping him.
If that's the case, what is delaying him from sending for his wife?
My sister, we are talking. No?
Do not forget that this young woman is a human. I know why I'm saying this.
We are talking.
You can't just marry a girl and dump her there and you expect her to just fold her hands in case if anything happens. She's just piled up there with so much thing going on her mind.
We are talking. We'll keep talking. I will come, I will do this, I will come pick up my wife, I will come wed her before we go back. The same talk every day. We are talking. Please.
If what you just said is what it is, then what is delaying him? What is delaying his return?
Well,
I mean,
my dear,
my daughter is human.
My dear, I understand exactly what you're talking about. And we are as confused as you are.
Yes.
It got to a point that I called my son and I told him to confide in me as a father. If he has another family over there.
And what did he say?
The answer was no.
I did same.
Oh, did he tell you?
I did same, and the answer is still no.
You know what? He doesn't even sound convincing. All this explanation is not convincing to me. Nobody's a baby here. If my husband were to be alive, I don't think he can accept all this madness. All this nonsense. I don't think so. But in any case, my husband's a kingsman sent me to you people. To tell you that if Franklin does not come back by this year, December, you should consider your dowry to be returned. And my daughter will be remarried to someone else.
No, it doesn't come to that.
My dear, it has come to that.
No.
Because you don't know what this girl is passing through.
It doesn't come to that. Oh, keep talking.
It has.
It doesn't, my dear.
I mean, she's just a young woman.
We understand. Please. You talk to them. Please. It doesn't come to that.
More action.
Then talk to your son.
We will.
I know you've not sounded it much on him.
We will. We've been talking.
Please talk more. I wish you are the one in my shoe. That would have been better for me. Then you understand what I'm passing through.
We understand.
So please, talk to him. This year, December. Nothing more.
So tell me, what about Sarah?
She's just dead.
I'm asking because I've not seen her in a while now.
Well, I'm sure she's okay.
Do you love her?
Yes, I love her. Why?
Any plans of getting married to her?
Yeah.
She must be so lucky to have a good man like you.
I guess so.
I know so.
Hello?
Oh, hi.
What are you doing?
Playing game. I'm about to cook.
Okay, come this way.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I tried.
Okay. Did I wake you? Sorry about that. So I'm going for a run.
Oh, I think I would love to join you.
No. I'll be back shortly. Wait. I'm going for a run and I'll be back shortly. It's not like I'm leaving the house.
I want to exercise as well.
You never give up, do you?
Just get ready.
Alright, I'll be downstairs.
Alright, I can take you.
Alright.
weight.
Really?
How much you weigh?
Really, I'm heavy. But I told you.
Well, it's okay. I'm fit, so I can carry you.
I enjoyed it.
You did? You should go one more time.
No. Yeah, no.
Okay, so would you like to shower?
Yeah.
Cold water, hot water.
Cold, hot is okay.
Make your choice.
I don't know. Oh, this is Frankie. I'll just take. Hello, dear. Good morning. Like you care. Okay. If you care, you should have been here by now. So why are you not here yet? If you truly care, you would be here by now. So? Whose fault is it? If you appreciate your wife, you'll be here by now. When are you coming back? Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much. I have to leave now. I'm just coming back from morning jogging. Yeah, I do. I do anything to keep my mind out of depression. I have to go now.
Brian, what are you up to?
Sarah, I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yeah.
You now frolic round town with your brother's wife that you barely have time for us.
What are you talking about?
Okay. I'm talking about this.
And what about that?
I saw you two this morning playing hide and seek. I had you followed.
So, working out with my brother's wife is what you call hide and seek?
The other day I saw you two in a fast food, holding hands like lovebirds. Come on.
You know what? I can clearly see that you're jobless. All you do is eat, sleep, wake up. You don't mind your business. You poke nose. Listen, you know what? I'm just tired. Just leave, just go.
You're asking me to leave your car.
I just want to be alone.
You just want to be alone?
Yes.
Just know that I have my eyes on you.
Really?
And I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking? I'm sleeping with my brother's wife? You know what? Just get out, please. I'm tired. What nonsense is this? What are you doing for me?
I should get out. You're telling me to get out.
Oh, hey. Sarah, you're here. Winnie, you should know your limits.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
So you don't know?
No, I know what.
Okay, since you don't know, let me refresh your dumb memory. Brian is my boyfriend. We have plans of getting married. So stay away from him. He is off limits.
Sarah, what are you talking about? I do not understand.
Listen, I will not warn you again. Stay away from Brian and face your husband. Hey, can you stop it? How dare you?
Why would you come to my apartment and spew gibberish? What are you talking about?
Leave my boyfriend alone. Leave my boyfriend alone.
Now get out of my place. Now. Leave this place now before I descend on you.
Oh, please, snap off it.
I said leave, Sarah.
Stay away from my boyfriend. Stay away from my boyfriend.
If you do not leave this place this minute, I will do something crazy. Get out! Leave!
I will not warn you again.
Get out! Who's this? What?
You know, my darling, I am worried. And there is nothing that our son Frankie will tell me, and I'll believe that he's not married to another woman out there and probably has a family.
Huh? The girl in question has stopped complaining. Have you not noticed? Frank abandoned me, Frank did that. She has completely gone silent.
It's true. Yes. All those her bugging and complaints and all that have stopped. I don't know why.
Maybe she decided to make herself happy now, I'm afraid.
Daddy, when is he coming back? Mommy, what's happening and all that?
No more.
I don't know. I don't even know what to say.
I feel for her though. A young woman at her age getting married to a ghost husband.
Indeed. Our son has become a ghost husband.
What do you want me to say now?
But wait, sweetheart, what could be Frankie's problem? That he cannot come back home to his wife and family.
I'm worried.
What could be the problem?
I'm worried.
Oh. This is what you and I will not take for our daughter. And our son is now the one doing it to another person's child. I'm worried.
How these LBK children? I don't understand.
I'm worried, sweetheart. I am worried.
Eat with me.
I'm not done with the chores.
Have you had something to eat?
No.
Then let's eat. I mean, you can go back to the chores later.
Okay. You like?
Yeah. Very delicious. Guess what? I haven't had jollof rice this delicious in a while. You're the best. You cook really nice. I'm enjoying it. Why are you quiet?
You remind me so much of Frankie when we started dating.
Really? Oh, that's a good thing. You miss him? I know you miss him. Don't worry, he'll be back soon.
Yeah. Let me help you.
I'm going to change this.
Why are you changing it?
I don't want this one.
But it's nice.
No, I don't like.
Wait, give it to me now.
No.
Why?
No, I don't like this one. How
Which one
about
do
it?
you hold on?
Wait.
Let me play something nice for you. Just increase the volume. Just a little bit.
No, I don't.
So what do you want? Okay.
I want something else.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm still scrolling.
Okay. Put the volume down. Put the volume down.
But she is the plot.
Put the volume. What's wrong?
I'm trying to.
Okay, I'll use this one then.
This is
the
not
right. This is the right one.
Okay, fine.
Wait. What are you doing?
I want to use it
Why are you dragging?
because I want to change.
So why must I give you?
Because I
of what?
need it.
Are you happy
See? No, I don't like this one. No, I don't.
now? Why are you always acting like a little child? Huh?
I don't.
Good morning. Hi.
Good morning.
Breakfast is ready.
Hey,
Yeah.
breakfast in bed.
Yeah. Breakfast in bed.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Oh, quite thoughtful of you.
Yeah.
Wow. My love, you made this. This looks good. Thank you. I've never had breakfast in bed.
Today's your lucky day. You have a pretty smile. Do you know that?
Are you just noticing it? Wait. Oh my god, this egg is so cold.
Yeah, because I made it.
It's delicious.
Anything I make is cool.
Thank you, my love. So you have to join me.
No.
Why?
I have to go downstairs. I have something on the fire.
What are you making?
Don't worry. I'll show you later.
Thanks, baby.
You're welcome. Hold this properly.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I love you. Wait. What's going on here?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make lunch.
Oh, no, please. I should be the one doing this, not you.
How do you mean? No. I want to do it. I can cook.
No. How?
I don't want you to stress yourself. Just go upstairs, get some rest, and let me do the cooking.
I'm not complaining.
No, I want to cook for you. How about that?
This is so different. I don't know, but... Brian,
Yeah.
you fill in the gap that my husband left. And I don't want this to ever stop.
Well, thank you for your kind words. I also have something to say to you.
What's that?
You're a very nice person, and sometimes I ask myself, why haven't I met you a long time ago?
And if I must say,
Yeah.
I enjoyed last night. You took me to the moon and back. What?
Allow me to cook.
Okay.
Alright, so...
Action.
Okay, the meat is already tender. By the way, we're not using any spices.
What?
I don't use spices to cook. I prefer my food natural.
How?
Yeah, I just use crayfish and then you see that the food with the finger licking good. Trust me.
Hold on, but you need to use this to make it sweet.
No, it's this. You need this to make it very delicious.
I've never seen anything like this before.
Can you please listen to me?
This is... Wait, this is Maggie.
Please
Hold on.
listen to me.
Okay.
We're not using any spices for this, okay?
Okay, so if we finish cooking, or you finish cooking, and the soup goes bad, just know you made it.
Yes.
Deal?
Deal.
Deal?
Deal.
Alright. Okay, I'll just watch you then.
You have to cut this.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. There's something about this okra soup. I think it has to do with the onions. It makes it even better.
I mean, I don't like onions, naturally, but you said it would make it nice. I can see you judged correctly.
I told you, I'm the best you can ever have here.
You're the best, no doubt.
Thank you.
Trust me. I give you your flowers. You're the best. It's so nice.
Thank you.
What's wrong with you? Where did you learn your cooking skills from? Did you attend a catering school or something?
Not at all. My mom is a caterer.
Oh, she is.
Yeah, she cooks for different occasions. Wambe, funerals, birthday parties, name them. Child dedication.
I can see where you got your skills from.
Yeah.
Brilliant. She's really, really nice.
So I said I wanted to show you something.
I was going to say that. You said you wanted to show me something.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
What do you want to show me?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Close your eyes.
Eyes closed.
Are they closed?
Yeah, my eyes are closed.
Is that your phone ringing?
Oh, yeah.
Take your call.
Hello? Doing fine. How are you? You don't have to thank me because Winnie has accepted her faith and she's happy. Yeah.
Where are you now?
I was just about to drive out, before you called. Alright. Bye.
What?
Nothing.
So what was I saying before?
You said you wanted to show me something.
You were really interrupted.
What were you going to show me?
Come.
Let me show
Come here. Come already. Come.
Betrayal. So this is you. Well, right now, you remembered us today?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we're not expecting that you'll even come because, as it is, you practically moved out and into Frankie's place.
Dad, a point of correction. Frank instructed me to stay around his wife. In fact, he said I shouldn't leave her sight for any reason. And that's what I've been doing.
Good. That's good.
Your fiancée came here and she said she's not been seeing you for some time. I hope all is well.
Oh yes, all is well. I've just been busy. Like I said, I've been helping out with the house chores and tried to do a few errands for Winnie. And in the process of doing that, I've not been able to, I've not kept in touch with Sarah. So I'm sure that's why she's upset. But I can, put a call across to her and get everything sorted out.
You sure?
Yes,
Oh.
Well, I hope that you're not going to do anything to hurt that girl.
Not at all, Dad. I'll sort everything out. Like I came back to pick up a few things. I'll be going back to Frank's place.
Ah, so you actually came to pick a few things. Otherwise, we wouldn't have even set our eyes on you.
Dad, I'll handle the situation, okay? It's not a problem. Give me a second. Let me pick up something. Give me a minute. Sarah, what are you doing here?
I was told you went out, so I decided to wait for you.
I can clearly see that you're jobless. What did you tell my parents?
The truth.
And what is the truth?
That you are having an affair with your brother's wife.
What's your proof?
Look at you. You look like someone who has been caged.
Is that your proof?
You can't even deny it. You now live with your brother's wife and sleep with her on the same bed in your brother's house. Look at you. The reason you have not been taking my calls or replying my text message.
Sarah, if I don't take your calls or reply your text messages, it only tells you one thing, that I have moved on. So you should do the same thing.
So you've moved on with Winnie?
Oh yes. And I don't have to repeat myself.
Look at you. You're so shameless and evil. If Winnie thinks she can take my man away from me, my man of 3 years, then she has got another thing coming.
Leave Winnie out of this.
Winnie cannot take my man away from me. Nobody can. I will fight for my man.
Sarah, listen to me. The earlier you realize that this is over, the better for you. Okay? I left you a long time ago because you talk too much. You run your mouth.
Really?
Yes. And listen to me. I can't remember telling your father that I want to get married to you. So leave. I'm done.
Seriously?
Yes.
Winnie has just shot herself on her foot without her knowing. Rubbish.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Are you okay? What's wrong? Were you thrown up?
Yeah, I've been feeling nauseous and feverish lately. It's like I have malaria.
Malaria?
Mm-hmm.
How did you know that? Those are the symptoms, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you throw up?
Yeah, today, yesterday, and a little the day before yesterday.
Well, those are signs of pregnancy.
But how?
Have you thought about it?
No.
When was the last time you saw your monthly flow?
Wow, 3 months.
Ha!
It didn't occur to me. Oh yes, 3 months back.
Winnie,
Huh?
you're pregnant.
Okay, how are you so sure?
You said you haven't seen your monthly flow for 3 months. And you didn't bother to check.
It didn't occur to me.
It didn't occur to you?
No, I don't know what I was thinking. But
Wait, how old are you?
Come on, Brian, why you...
No, I'm serious. Like, you didn't see your monthly flow for 3 months and you didn't bother to find out why?
Maybe I've just been stressed or something. I don't know. It happens.
You totally forgot.
Yes. Is there any problem if I'm pregnant?
You're pregnant!
Okay, I'm pregnant, yes. Okay.
You're my brother's wife.
Your brother is my ex. You are my husband.
Okay, what do you think my parents would say?
I don't know. I don't care.
How about your parents?
I don't know. I don't care. We are married now, right? Why do you think about what they'll say? When he comes back, he will see the situation. That's if he will come back.
Why are you sounding like this thing is so easy?
What's difficult here?
You're pregnant.
Why are you whining like a child?
Okay, I'm not a child.
You're sounding like one. I'm no longer interested. I mean, I'm done with the marriage. So you and I are together now. This is our baby. You're about to be a father. Aren't you happy? Brian? Aren't you happy? You're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say?
Yes or no?
Hey! Oh, you're here.
Hey, my love.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What took you so long?
No matter what happens, I'll never leave your side. I love you so much.
Thank you for choosing me. And I love you right back.
I said this because my brother comes back tomorrow. When he comes back, he should go look for another wife because you belong to me. You're my wife.
And you're my husband.
So this is true. What I've been hearing all this while, you both sleeping with each other is true.
Mom, Brian is my choice.
Oh, really? You should be ashamed of yourselves. You both. Are you aware that what you're doing is abominable? How do you want your brother to feel? Brian!
We don't care anymore.
Wait, keep quiet! You don't care?
We don't care anymore.
And you think you can stand the consequences?
But she's my wife.
Who is your wife?
But she's my wife.
Who gave her to you?
Mommy, he's my husband.
Keep quiet! Keep quiet!
I drank the palm wine. Frank didn't drink it.
Yes, Mom.
The palm wine was given to me, so she's my wife, traditionally.
Tired of this sham called marriage. Whenever he comes back, he can do whatever he wishes.
Besides, I had a dream. Frank is married to another woman.
Okay. He's my husband.
Can you imagine this madness? You had a dream. From your dream, he's married, and you drank the palm wine. Winnie.
Mom, leave me alone.
Take your hands off him. Take your hands off him.
Mom, stop.
Take your hands off him.
Mommy, stop this.
Stupid.
She's pregnant.
Who's pregnant?
Winnie.
Winnie is pregnant. A married woman. Has she been sleeping around?
No, she hasn't. I'm responsible for her pregnancy.
Shut up your mouth!
Hold it. Yeah. I don't understand what I'm hearing right now. As in, is there some joke going on here? That you got your brother's wife pregnant. What were you thinking? Are you insane?
I love her, Dad.
You love your brother's wife. Are you okay?
Dad, isn't it obvious that Frank is married to someone else in the US? Isn't it obvious that he has vehemently forgotten about Winnie and wants her to die in depression?
And how is that your business? Even if Frankie got married to 100 women abroad, how is it your business?
But I married her. I married her.
Married who? Where? When, Brian?
Mom, I paid her bride price in full. She gave the glass of palm wine to me and not to Frank.
Okay, hold on, darling. Hold it there. Let's even imagine that all of this nonsense and madness that I'm hearing here were true. Listen to me, my son. In Igbo tradition, it is allowed for brothers to stand in the gap for their brothers during traditional wedding ceremonies. That does not mean that she's your wife!
Dad, nobody has the right to take Winnie away from me. Not Winnie, not my unborn child. Even Frank does not have the right to do that.
Hey! Chineke biakwa! How can this kind of abomination happen in my home?
Sweetheart, it's okay. This is no time to...
Hey!
It's okay, darling. You don't have to be told that your son is going mad. That's the way it is. That should be your concern, because what he's saying is not... I don't want to think about it. It's okay.
Hey, Brian.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sure she put you up for this. Yes, this is not you.
I think both of you should have used your powers as parents to make Frank return back to Nigeria. Well, anyways, that's inconsequential because I just realized that I am married. I am legally married to Winnie, and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
What are you even talking about? Spit it out. Spit what you're saying out.
So, do you have any movie recommendation? Maybe I should select myself. Huh?
Winnie. Are you pregnant?
Why do you ask?
Because you look pregnant to me.
Well, yes, I'm pregnant.
What? Winnie, I don't understand. Have you been cheating on your husband?
What husband? Please stop it. I've moved on. I'm no longer with Frankie.
What is this woman talking about?
What do you expect? I'm human.
Winnie, I told you this from the onset. Now see how messed up your life is.
My life is not messed up. Yeah, Frank tried to mess up my life, but God came through for me. So what do you expect, huh? I've moved on with my life. I'm now with the love of my life, who is the father of my unborn child.
Wait, I've not even asked. Who is this guy?
Well,
who is he?
My one true love. My Prince Charming. The one who my heart beats for. Yeah?
Who is he?
My Brian.
Brian! Jesus! Winnie!
You're screaming!
Winnie!
What?
This is an abomination!
Really now? Catherine, what is more abominable than a man leaving his wife, his young wife, leaving her all by herself? Okay, if you said this is an abomination, where was everyone? No one cared about me. No one cared about my loneliness, my perennial insomnias. No one cared about how I suffered, the agony I suffered, the negligence. No one cared about my emotional trauma. You call it an abomination.
Really, this could have been avoided.
Okay. I know I fell in love with Frankie. But I've fallen out of love with him. I've moved on now.
Oh my God.
I've moved on.
Oh my God, what is this? Winnie, what kind of problem is this?
You call it a problem, I call it fulfillment of my goal.
Oh.
Right now, my happiness is my utmost priority. And every other thing can follow. I've moved on with my life. Do you want anything?
Baby! Baby! Where's my girl? Baby!
Yeah, so I was just trying to tell you that I promised to buy you all the finest things. Alright? You are my unborn baby. I can't wait to meet him. I love you. Oh.
So this is true.
What's true?
In everybody in the world, it's my brother you decided to get pregnant.
Oh, okay. So you are aware that Brian, your brother, is responsible for my pregnancy. Now let me ask you, Dr. Frankie. Did you purchase me as decoration for your big house? Huh?
You decided to frolic with this thing?
Hey, you have no right to judge me.
Winnie, I did everything for you. I did everything for you. I traveled abroad to make sure that you have a better and a bigger and a more comfortable life. And all you do is sleep with my brother under my roof. I got you a car. I got you a house. I got you everything. I sent you money. If this is what you do to me, I married you.
No. Hey, the only person I married is Brian.
No, you are my wife.
I am not your wife. The one who paid my dowry was Brian. On the day of my traditional marriage, the one whom I handed the glass of palm wine was Brian. So that makes him my husband and me his wife.
I'll never forgive you for this thing you've done. I will never forgive you. I will curse you. Every day of my life, I will curse you. I will curse you. For taking the love of my life, I will curse you. The two of you. Get out of my house.
Okay.
Get out of my house! Get out of my house!
Let's go, babe. Let's leave. We need to pick our boxes. Let's go.
What are you guys doing here? Eh?
Frank sent us out.
Why won't he send you people out? You guys committed an abomination. And now you're here to do what? Leave! I said leave! You can't stay here.
Dad, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? That you're not saying anything. What do you want me to say? Oh, you mean I should applaud you for doing the unspeakable? Are you drunk? Can you imagine? And I'm sure she lured you into this.
That's not true, Dad. We fell in love with each other.
Just the same way she fell in love with Frankie, right?
Dad, you should ask questions like, what did Frank do to her? Why are you throwing stones? Instead of asking questions like, what did Frank do to her?
Just shut up. Shut up. What did my son do? No, tell me. What did Frank do? Is Frank the first to travel abroad? No, tell me. Is my son the first to be in a long-distance relationship with a woman? Is he the first to travel abroad? Tell me. What did he really do? Is your brother the first to say, stand in for me? For the supposed traditional marriage? Why break his heart?
Mom, I don't expect you to support me. You've always loved Frank more than me, so I'm not...
Just shut up! That's not the case here. Look. If anything should happen to my son, I will never forgive you. You run to my house with this thing for cover. Out. I don't want to see the both of you.
Mom, I'm not going
anywhere. I said out!
This is my father's house.
Let your partner in crime take you to her mother's home. Here is my husband's house. Leave.
We're not going anywhere. Just stay here.
Okay. You're not going anywhere,
I sit by the window staring at the rain. The drops on the glass echo my pain. Oh, your words still linger soft in my mind. About a distance between us feels unkind. Nights grow colder, the silence loud. I search for your shadow in the crowd.
Stop! Auntie, give me this! You want to kill yourself for one stupid girl? Eh? Is this the end of the world for you?
They had to play me for a fool. What did I do? I pleaded with Winnie. I told her, please, let she just wait for me. Then immediately they released me from work. I'll come back to Nigeria. What did she do? She ran into the arms of Brian. And now she's pregnant for Brian. What's my crime? What did I do wrong? Because I went to the United States to make a better family. To make things easy for us.
It's okay.
It's okay, Frankie. It is what it is already. It's okay. At this point in your life, you really have to be a man. Okay?
Daddy, there's nothing like being a man in here. There's nothing like being a man in here. Brian took my wife. That's what he did. He took my wife.
They were meandering, doing nonsense in this house, under our noses. Eh? I know my son now. I know him. I know it's that Lucifer's daughter that lured him into this nonsense.
Now, be that as it may, I'd like to ask this, Frankie. Why did it take you so long?
Daddy, I want to know that.
Give me this! Come on, give me this!
Frank, would you stop this nonsense? Stop it!
Want to kill yourself? Want to kill yourself?
I was going to ask this. Why did it take you so long to come back? Because I know that at some point, Winnie was frustrated. She was devastated. And I know that she felt betrayed. And I also know that at some point she felt that you had abandoned her.
Daddy, I did not abandon her. I did not abandon her. This is the United States. They don't work like that, like the way you work in Nigeria. You have to take your time. That is what I kept explaining to her, but she would never listen.
Son, you overstayed. It's okay. You overstayed, actually.
Mommy, the fact is, Brian took my wife. Brian took my wife away from me. He took my wife away from me. And I'm going to arrest him. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to arrest him. I'm going to arrest him for raping my wife and taking her away. He stole my wife from me. That is what I'm going to tell the police. He raped my wife. He stole my wife. And he's about to kill her. That's what I'm going to say. That's what I'm going to say.
But she's already pregnant for Brian.
I don't give a care. I don't give a care. That's what I'm going to tell the police. Shut, I'm going there right now.
You can't do that.
It's
okay, I understand you. It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
It's okay.
It's okay. It is what it is. This is us here. This is a family issue, and we're going to settle it within us.
Daddy, we're not sorting anything family. Because Brian didn't treat me like family. I swear to God, Brian didn't treat me like family. I'll say it 1,001 times. He didn't treat me like family. He stole my wife. He stole my precious jewel. Why did he do it?
It's okay.
I want to drink alcohol.
Don't worry.
I want to drink alcohol. It will calm me down. I want to die. I want to die. I just want to die. I just want to die. I just want to die.
What's keeping this agent guy? He's wasting my time. Hello. I'm still waiting for you. Please just make it snappy, please. I don't have all day. Alright, thank you.
He goat. Man on heat.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
Yes. Who else am I talking to? I am talking to you, Brian Nwanko. I am talking to you. Look at you. You are the rat that ate up the fish given to you to look after.
You know what? Just leave me alone. I'm not ready to fight, okay?
And if I don't?
I think you're upset because I left you for a better woman, right? That's why you're angry.
You like this, surveying your brother's wife and got her pregnant. What does that make you? Unprecedented goat. That is what you are. Animal. Rubbish.
She's just upset because I left her for a better woman. Finer woman. Taller woman.
Winifred, how could you do a thing like this?
Mama, I didn't do anything wrong. Mommy, if it's not Brian, it would have been another man. I'm in love with Brian, Mom.
Does it mean both of you did not think about it before going into it?
Mom, I'm not thinking whatsoever with what I did with Brian. I love him.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up. How can a married woman loving another man?
Brian is my husband, Mom.
Will you shut up before I shut you up? Have you got completely mad? Have you lost it? I cannot wrap my head round to see how you condescend so low to have allowed your husband's younger brother to do a thing like this with you. I mean, and the worst thing is that you are so proud of it. You're not even being remorseful.
Mom, I have nothing to be ashamed of. I love Brian. He's good looking, he's cute, he's soft spoken. He loves me.
Shut up. Shut it. I love Brian, he's cute, he's this. Have you seen your husband? Can you compare the both? For your information, your husband is more cute. Handsome, intelligent, educated, more exposed, richer. So there's no comparison. Now listen to me. If I should have my way, I would have stopped you from being around Brian. Just take a look. Take a look at yourself. Take a look at where he brought you, to his parents' house. Is this the kind of life you want for yourself?
Mom, about this, we're leaving soon. Okay? We're searching for an apartment. He went to see an agent, so we're leaving.
Winnie. So this is the kind of life you want for yourself? This is the kind of life you want for yourself? I know you fell for this due to the circumstances that presented itself. I can understand. But if you had waited a little while, if you had waited...
Mom, are you the one
Keep
saying
quiet, I'm
this?
still talking. If you had endured, I didn't say you were not patient, but if you had waited a little longer, maybe you would have been singing a different song.
I'm so surprised, Mom. Like you're saying this, can you listen to yourself? You know the story, you were there. You saw everything. Why are you acting so insensitive? Why are you being so irrational?
I'm acting so insensitive because you are not being remorseful, my dear. And besides, your brothers, none of them is even willing to come around. They are so ashamed of you. They are not even proud of what their sister did. Me coming around you is because I'm your mom. No matter how bad it is, a mother will always be a mother. And she will always want to clean around the child. So don't see that my coming around is because you did something honorably. That's why I'm coming around. But I have no choice. So you sitting down here telling me that he's your husband, you love him, you are stupid.
Oh, she called me a goat. So what kept you long now?
I was waiting for someone. So how you doing?
Let's go straight to business. What's up?
Let me show you the house. This is the house.
But I've seen this house before and I told you I don't like it.
You don't like it? There's another house. One beautiful house with utility.
I told you I don't like this one. Why you see show? Are you a serious businessman at all?
That's what I'm saying. There's another fine house.
Wait, so where is the fine house?
But there's a problem.
What
It's
is-
very roofing. Remain to roof, okay? I don't know if you can wait. You can actually wait for that one.
You know what? It's okay. I'll call you when I'm ready.
Wait. When you give him quick notice, why you rush for this house? I don't know. Why you rush? You can wait for this one. You're not saying anything. Who are you and how did you get into my house?
Can't you remember me?
I can't remember.
I am Sarah. I was the one who called you to inform me about your brother and your wife having an affair in your house.
It was you?
Yes, he left me for her. I even saw him this afternoon with one house agent. I think he wants to get a house. Won't you do something? Your brother hurt you so much. I mean, how can he get your wife pregnant in your own house?
Okay. Thank you very much. Can you please leave? Can you leave now? Leave. Never come back.
Mommy, when I came to your house to tell you my intentions towards your daughter, did I in any way tell you that I was representing my brother?
No.
Mommy, can you remember that I called you severally while I was in the United States? Sometimes 4 times, even more. To check up, reassure, and also I asked you to help me speak to my wife to understand what's going on with me in the United States. Didn't I do that?
You did, but you abandoned.
Mommy, I did not abandon her. Why is it too difficult for everybody to understand? I did not abandon her. I was busy in the United States working myself out to make sure that my wife and our future is good. Why is it so difficult? What's this?
But that was not enough. Do you know the heartbreak you put her through? She could not eat. She could not eventually do anything. How? How would you place this? How is this my problem? 7 years, Frank. 7 good years. At the time, everybody felt probably you have gotten married to a white woman.
Oh, come on, Mom. I did not get married to a white woman. I did not get married to anybody. Actually, as I speak to you, I don't even have a relationship with any... I don't have any relationship with any female anywhere in the world.
So, how do you want us to believe you're saying the truth?
Oh, fine. Good. Because I promised her. I promised my wife. I promised Winnie that I will never do anything to hurt her. I went as far as swearing to her that if I ever do so, let me die. This is me in flesh and blood in front of everybody. So what is the problem? Why is it so difficult for everybody to understand? Please.
What do you
Mommy,
want me to do?
Mommy, please. I love my wife. I love my wife. I love her with every fiber of my being. I know that my absence must have cost a lot, but I was in the United States working really hard. You won't believe that while I was schooling, I was working as much as 4 jobs to make sure that I earn enough money so that she could be comfortable, so that she could live a big luxury life. I want my wife back. I can't let her be. I can't lose her. Please, help me, please.
The relationship between these both is so deep. They're so much in love with each other. I mean, your younger brother.
That's bullshit! Do you understand me? That is bullshit! I don't even know who that guy is. Do you understand me? Listen. Maybe, okay, maybe you, with all due respect, maybe you're not even getting my point. My point now is this. When I was leaving Nigeria to the United States, I left my wife in your hands and in the hands of my parents. So I want her back in that peace. Do you understand me? That is what I want. No excuses.
You will want to have your wife back, even with her situation.
What's that? What's that? What's that? Listen, I don't even want that bullshit, right? Right? Maybe why everybody's taking it so easily is because I have not even arrested that guy. Because very soon I'm going to arrest him for stealing. I mean, stealing, yes, stealing.
But that's your younger brother.
Who? Whose brother? Oh, I don't even know who that guy is. He's a stranger. I don't know. Have I ever met him before? I've never met him before. He's a thief. He's a criminal. He stole my precious property. That's what he did. Brothers don't do that to brothers. Do you understand me? He's nothing family to me.
Calm down. Just calm down.
I want my wife. That's it. That is it. Why is it so difficult for everybody to understand? Why?
To be honest, I don't like this one bit.
Wow. You don't like this? The woman that I married, the woman that I paid her bride price, in turn chose my brother instead of me. And you don't like it? Tell me, what did I ever do to Winnie and that stupid guy that they treat me like this? All I ever said to him is, help me take care of my wife. And he took everything. He took everything. He even got her pregnant. Did I ever tell him that I can't get my wife pregnant? Huh? Did I?
Actually, what these two did was so wrong. So wrong. Funny part of it is that both of them claim to be so much in love with each other.
Wow. My wife is now in love with my brother, or would I rather say, my brother is in love with my wife. Whoa! Oh wow. Wow, that's nice.
Honestly, I respect your maturity.
Oh yeah.
You're a very good person.
I must say, because I'm calm, I'm laughing, you think I'm happy?
I know you.
You think I'm happy? You think this whole thing makes me happy? You know what this whole thing makes me feel? I feel like snuffing the life out of the two of them. That's how I feel. Do you understand me? And I swear to God, I will never forgive them for this thing they've done. I will never. Not in my next life. Never. What I will do is I will curse them by the second. Every day of their life, I am going to curse them. I will curse them. And that bastard inside her, I swear to God. Oh, no, shit. Winnie. Sweetheart. All I have done is just love you from the depth of my heart. Babe, I never neglected you. Never. And if you feel that way, I am so sorry. I mean every word of it.
You are sorry? He says he's sorry. Wow.
Babe, these your actions, they are really breaking me. They're really breaking me. I need you to understand that this whole thing is not my fault. I swear.
Franklin, 7 years. I mean, 7 good years you abandoned
I
me.
never abandoned you. I swear I never did. You know I never did. I was just... Okay, fine. I called you every single day. I called you by the month. At some point, you just stopped taking my calls. What did you expect me to do? I didn't know you were in the state. If I knew, I probably would have done something. I didn't know.
I've made my point clear. I am done. I love Brian, not you.
No, come on. You cannot tell me... No, you cannot tell me we can't be married anymore. No, you can't do that.
But I'm saying that right to your face. We are done with this marriage. As you can see, I'm carrying another man's child. Can't you see?
Winnie, what exactly does he do for you? I mean, what exactly does he do? Like, how does he treat you? You think he treats you better? You think he loves you better? I promise you I'm going to love you better. I'm going to treat you much more. I swear with my life.
You know what? All this why I thought I loved you. But I found true love.
No.
Yes, I have.
No, please, just stop.
I can't. Whatever we had is in the past now.
Just
okay?
stop. Just stop.
No, don't stop me. Don't tell me to stop. We are done. In fact, my entire existence revolves around him. I can't leave.
I swear to God, I'm going to kill myself for you.
Well, I died 1,000,000 times over. I begged you. I cried, I lamented, I pleaded with you, yet my tears couldn't even bring you back.
Shut up.
Do not shut me up, Franklin. And just the moment you heard about Brian and I, you ran back, leaving the same job you loved so much, the same job you never wanted to leave. Just to confirm if it's true. Now you can see it is true.
You know why? You are not getting married to Brian. You listen to me. You go to the hospital and take that shit off and prepare yourself because we're going back to the United States. You understand me?
You lie! No one is touching my baby. I am not taking away my baby.
Don't make me do this. Don't make me erase Brian. Don't make me kill him. I swear to God.
Franklin, if as much as you touch a strand from his hair, trust me, you will know who the dead man will be. I will show you the other side of me.
You're my wife.
No, I am not your wife. Brian paid my dowry in full. He's my husband and I his wife.
Yeah, so I was told babies can hear their parents talk. So we pay attention to every detail. We try to.
Oh my God! Oh, Mom! Oh, Dad! Please don't! Please! Mom! Dad! Please, I beg you, Frankie. Please. Frankie.
Hey! My son, please. Don't hurt your brother. Don't hurt him, please. He's the only brother you have.
Away.
Please.
No, Dad, I wouldn't do it. Give me your phone.
What?
Give me your phone right now!
No.
I swear to God, if you do not give me your phone right now, I will blow your brains out.
Give him the phone for peace.
Count of 3, 1.
Mom, I'm not going to give him the phone. I don't care what he wants.
Wait, no, please!
Please.
Dad, just get away from this. Stay away from this, Dad. And I'm not joking. If you joke with me, I will blow this your third leg that you're using to ravage my wife. Do you understand me? Give me your phone right now. 2.
Give him the phone for peace to reign now.
Give me the damn phone. Open it. Open it!
Open it. Come on.
I'm joking with you. Open the phone.
Hey.
Good. Go to your account app. Go to your account app!
Hey.
My 10 million naira. What is the password?
Excuse me.
What is the damn password?
55520.
My 10 million naira. My heart ain't 10 million naira. That is what you're using to booger my wife, Abi? Then I'll fire you. I'm taking back everything.
Don't touch my money.
See it? It's gone. Rubbish. Then I'll fire you, idiot. I said get out of my way. I swear to God, I'll blow your brains out.
Please.
Where's my car key? Where's your car key? Oh, guys, where's the car key? Am I joking with you?
It's outside.
Where's the car key?
It's in the car.
I'll fire you there, idiot. Fire you, idiot.
Hey! Brian!
Hello, driver. I want you to turn and drive in front of me. Okay. Drive in front of me now.
I walked through the door, my heart filled with pride. Years of hard labor, oceans wide, dreams of reunion I crave. But the words I found I couldn't endure. I called your name, expect a smile. Silence hung 1,000 miles. There you stood, secrets to hide. But the truth is revealed. My soul denied, my soul denied it all. But I can't believe my eyes. My love, what have you done to our love, my heart? How could you break what we'll build so strong? This is not what we promised, you know. This is so much.
My entire life savings gone.
You should have thought of that now before messing yourselves up. Frank, my son, is even a good man. I was expecting the worst from him. But he's been very mature here.
Babe, please, we have to find a way out of this mess. Please.
This is when to show us. So, I love Brian. This is the time to show it. You came into my home, my once peaceful home, to scatter it.
Mom, I did nothing. All blame should go to Frankie, not me.
If a soothsayer had told me, even in my dreams, that my family would be bedeviled by this kind of tragedy, I probably would have slapped that soothsayer. But here we are. The tragedy is right before my nose.
You lured him into this tomb with your fake love. I know.
It's not fake. God knows that I love Brian with everything in me. God knows this.
There's no money, no car, no nothing. So, Where is he going to?
Oh.
This is not what we're.
You have to apologize and ask your brother for forgiveness.
I'm sorry. I can't do that. It's impossible.
You must do it.
I'm sorry, Mom. I can't do that.
All right.
Huh.
All right. Sweetheart, hold it. Now, my dear son, the one thing you must not forget is the importance of peace in the life of a family like ours. I'm a peaceful person, and I expect that you imbibe my own tenets. Frankie is our son and your brother. You see the kind of love that was in this family even before he traveled abroad. And even when he was there, you cannot deny the fact that he had been very good and benevolent to this family. His sacrifices and all. I remember on one or two occasions that you were in a bind and he had to help you. All of us here cannot forget that Frankie had contributed so much to our comfort. So for the sake of peace and to bring back the love that had eluded this family, I'm not fighting you, I'm not dragging you, my son, but we need to bring back that peace, like I said, that had eluded our family. So you will find your brother and apologize to him so we can become one again. Okay?
But Dad, he has taken all the money in my account because he feels he's my God. He feels I can't do anything without him.
No, you're getting it wrong. No. Money is not an end. It's a means to an end. Is there anything you wanted and we could not do for you? Not. Or is there anything you want now that we cannot do for you?
My wife is pregnant. I need to take good care of her.
But this same wife was your brother's wife, and we're not even fighting you over it. We are capable of taking care of her because she's carrying your seed. We are supposed to be fighting you, as a matter of fact, dragging you and throwing you around. But we're here talking to you peacefully, to ensure that you make peace with your brother. My fine son.
My brother, it's just so funny how God can change people's life just in the twinkling of an eye. Look at you. See, this man, I do not know this man from anywhere. He just came to our office and said he need me to help him bring that car back to the house, and 1.5 million is in my account.
Seriously. Honestly, me too. I don't even know him that much. He just came back from America. See, I thought it was his brother that owned the house.
Yeah.
I don't know that it was actually his. Honestly, bro.
Wow. And to sum it all, the brother just decided to pay him back with evil, wickedness. How can he sleep with his own brother's wife?
Like, that's where I'm confused at. Why will a human being, a normal human being, do such a thing? Your brother's wife.
Well, I'm just surprised. Some people just decide to pay good with evil. But thank God for you. You got blessed.
Yeah, we got blessed, not only me, bro.
Here comes the he goat.
You're the least of my worries. You know that.
Kama is having a field day on you and that useless Winifred. And this is just the beginning.
I don't have time for your tantrums.
The evil that men do lives with them.
I don't have time for this. Let's read it between the lines.
God. So Winnie left gold for a low life like you. Look at your eyes. They are so puffy. I believe you've been crying all day because karma has caught up with you. Rubbish.
Hello?
But why is everywhere so quiet? Even his car.
Hello? Ruben! Ruben!
Dad, there's nobody in this house. Dad, it's locked. Yeah.
Is everything alright?
The house is locked, man. There's no one.
My darling. So it's true. I'm in the house now. Truly, there's nobody here. The gate is locked from outside.
What? Dad, what's true?
Your mother told me that she was not going to come here with us because Frankie told her that he had gone, had left the country. I thought it was a joke. I thought it was a joke.
Dad, you knew Frank left for the US and you didn't tell me? You had to bring me and my pregnant wife to come here?
How would I have known? He traveled and did not even tell me his father.
But Dad, you said Mom told you. So why didn't you, mention it to me? Why bring us here when you know my wife is heavily pregnant?
Would you have believed that Frankie would travel back without telling me, his father?
But Dad, coming here wasn't necessary then. What are we doing here? If you knew he had traveled back to the US, why did you ask us to come?
I did not know. Thought it was a joke.
Dad, this is not fair. Let's just go. Let's go. This is not necessary. There's no need coming here.
What's the problem?
Dad, let's go. There's no need coming here. There's nobody in the house. I think he's gone back. Dad, do you want to stay back?
Your baby and I are starving. There's no food. Your mother made something a while ago, but she ate it with your dad. Now there's nothing to eat. Brian.
I don't understand. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Do I have food in my hands? Please, just let me be. I'm thinking.
Wait, why are you talking to me like that? And what are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about what you have put us through.
Me?
The mess you have put us in. Yes.
What mess? How?
I should have stayed away from you. I should have run away from you. I should have ignored you. You kept flaunting your ass right in front of me. I should have just run away from you. Now look at us.
I didn't do anything to you. All the blame should go to you and you alone. When you couldn't take your eyes off my sexy body, what would you say to that?
What?
Yes!
I couldn't take my eyes off your sexy body.
Yes, you couldn't. I didn't do anything. Please, I need food.
Okay, eat me now. Come and eat me.
What is wrong with you? Why are you speaking to me this way? Huh?
I should have just stayed away from you. You kept flaunting your ass in front of my face.
I did not do anything.
And now look at you. Listen, the story has changed. Alright? Put your degree to the side and look for something to do. Start up a business so you can take care of yourself and our baby.
Why are you speaking to me like this, Brian? Why? Listen, I need food. You also have hands to work. You can work and provide for us.
Come and eat me now.
That's your job. Brian! Brian! Have I gotten myself into... How? Brian!
Brian, the only thing he does is just to sit home and press his phone.
But Winnie, I warned you about all of this. I warned you. Now see how unkempt you look. See your hair.
You can imagine me now. Just imagine. Just look at how I look. Huh? Brian looked me in the face to tell me that I should keep my degree aside and start a job.
God, I warned you about all of this. I warned you from the beginning.
Now Frankie has left. He left so shattered and broken.
It's okay, stop crying.
Nobody wants me. My mother doesn't want me anymore. She said that she doesn't want to set her eyes on me.
Stop crying. You need to get a job when you are done giving birth. Okay?
Yeah. That is what I'll do.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? Things will get better. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Brian, what is it? What is it now?
Brian, talk to us. What's the problem? Where is Winifred?
Talk now, what is it?
She gave birth to a set of quadruplets.
Abba! Abba!
Quadruplets. Is it not the one they four?
Four now? How about rolling? Settle them.
What's funny? What's funny?
I don't know what is going on with Winnie. Yeah. I've not heard from her. I've not even seen her since. In fact, I'm so mad at her. What? For what? For children? How? Winnie gave birth to 4 children. Hey! So you mean Brian has not gotten to the hospital yet? Why? No, he must go there. He must go and pay his bills. Who is he expecting to pay his bill for him? Me? No, it's impossible. When he was busy snatching his brother's wife, he didn't know about it. You should wait there and go and pay for his bills. Please leave Winnie alone. Leave her alone. She deserves what she's saying now. I don't care. And let me warn you. Don't even involve me. Don't involve me. And henceforth, don't call my line again. Okay? Don't call this line again.
My heart feared with pride. Years of hard labor, oceans wide, dreams of reunion I crave. But the words I found I couldn't endure. I called your name, expect a smile. Silence hung 1,000 miles. There you stood, secrets to hide. But the truth is revealed. My soul denied it all. But I can't believe my eyes. My love